Making me dizzy. You're pretty fast like Dash though. Are you Dash right now? Oh, down goes Dash.
Welcome to Tosh Toys.
You're gonna shoot the yogurt containers with your new Nerf gun? Who did you get that for Christmas? Did Santa bring that? Hold on, go over there and shoot it. All right, it's loaded, fire away. Oh, away. Ooh. Fire again. Bam, that one ricocheted off. Ooh, good shot. Ooh, good shot, bud. You're killing it. Oh, that was a dud. Whoa! Only a couple more. Bam! Soldier Sam, are you locked and loaded? Yeah. All right, don't you dare hit Daddy again. Whoa, that went through him. That went through the holes in there. Whoa. Whoa, ow, you hit me. Oh, that was cool. You got them all. Good job, Soldier Sam. Did we make a tower?
Yeah.
This thing's taller than you.
Yeah.
All right, you want to run through it?
Huh?
You want to run through it? What are you doing?
Huh?
You're making me dizzy.
What?
All right, you gonna knock it over?
Yeah. I'm kicking.
Buddy, what do you think? I think Buddy likes it.
Yeah, can you build it again?
Build it again? Of course. Let's do it. All right, we built one again. You're making me dizzy. You're pretty fast like Dash though. Are you Dash right now? Oh, down goes Dash.
Thank you for watching my show. Thank you for watching Tosh Toys. Hit the subscribe button